Stick around because I'm going to cook the pork chops pizzaiola. Kitty's hungry. Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life, and welcome to my channel. I am now just beginning to enjoy cooking and trying new recipes later in life, but hey, it's never too late to learn how to cook, right? Since it's the beginning of the new year, I really want to try making new recipes more this year. So I hope you find something to add to your collection as well. I haven't been too consistent with filming meal planning videos last year. I felt with all the shelter in place, it was difficult to go to the grocery store to pick up one certain ingredient for a recipe. So I had to really improvise a lot, sort of making whatever I threw in the pan that night. Can you relate? But I need to get back into meal planning. Not only does it save money and it's healthier, especially right now, if I can meal plan, I will feel less stressed out having to go to the grocery store or make that impromptu delivery of groceries. Better to make a meal plan for the week or month and plan one grocery trip or delivery. My menu plan is going to actually be starting tonight, which is Sunday, January 10th. As you saw in the Rachel Ray, I'm going to prepare pork chops pizzaiola with roasted Parmesan cauliflower, which you saw that I got on my Pinterest if you want to follow me there. And I'm going to also just use some of the Brussels sprouts that I have left over in the refrigerator. Monday, I am going to try another new recipe, south of the border macaroni and cheese. Didn't that look so good? So excited. It's a crock pot, so that's going to allow me some time because Mondays are really hectic in my caregiving duties. It's just kind of a more stressful day is always on Monday for me. And I'm just going to make a quick green salad. Tuesday, I wanted to keep it light, and I'm going to make a homemade chicken soup. And my mom prefers egg noodles, so I'm going to go ahead and use egg noodles instead with my chicken soup, and I'm just going to make some biscuits. Wednesday, I'm assuming with all of this, we'll most likely will have leftovers. And then I'm just going to prepare another green salad with like all the fixings with the extra radishes that I have in our garden. Maybe some avocado, tomato, just kind of really beef it up a little bit in the green salad. Thursday, I'm going to do takeout, DoorDash, but it's going to be Jay's choice this time, my husband. So I'm going to let him choose which takeout. Last week, we had my mom choose which type of takeout. So this week will be Jay's. Supporting local small businesses during this whole pandemic. Friday and Saturday, I'm not too sure how I'm going to do this, but Friday we're thinking about maybe taking a drive over to Half Moon Bay. The Dungeness crab season has now opened, and my husband really wants to pick up some live crab. So we're going to share that with our neighbor fam next door, and we're going to do like a virtual crab feed. We always have an annual crab feed. So I'm not too sure if we're going to do it on Friday or we may do it on Saturday. If we do that on Friday, then on Saturday I'm going to do the tacos and the Spanish rice on Saturday. These may switch, so I'm not too sure. Anyways, that's what I got you guys for the meal plan. Okay, so the only thing I'm going to need for the week at the grocery store is salad and the American cheese. I don't have American cheese. That's it. And then I got everything here. Thanks so much for watching my meal plan. I hope you guys had some good ideas or even just learning a new recipe for tonight. So stick around because I'm going to cook the pork chops pizzaiola. Kitty's hungry. With roasted Parmesan cauliflower, and I'm gonna just finish up those Brussels sprouts. The roasted garlic Parmesan cauliflower is super easy to make. I used a package of fresh cauliflower. Can you believe that this is the second time I have ever cooked cauliflower? Yep. This recipe is so darn delicious and easy that we look forward to making more cauliflower. I poured olive oil to really coax them so that they won't burn and the seasonings can stick. Mix really well. Next, you're going to add a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, I used a little less, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, which I used 2 teaspoons because we love garlic in our house. If you have any easy cauliflower recipes for me to try, let me know in the comments down below. You can find any of these recipes on my Pinterest at Dee Lovely Life under recipes I've tried. Next, place in a preheated oven at 425 degrees for about 12 minutes. Midway, you're going to toss them around 6 minutes just so that they don't stick and burn. They turned out so delicious. Now on to Rachel Ray's pork chops. Season bone-in pork chops with salt and pepper. Crush or mince 1 garlic clove and toss in the skillet along with the pork chops on medium-high heat until golden brown for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Afterwards, set them on a plate aside. Next, throw in your sliced medium white onion into the skillet. Red pepper flakes and oregano to pan on reduced heat. Cook until onions are tender for about 7 to 8 minutes. If you prefer more spiciness, then you can add more pepper flakes. But I felt for us 1 teaspoon was enough. It still had a light kick to the flavor when done. Add 1/4 cup of tomato paste and stir in for 1 minute. Quick question, leave me a comment down below to where you like to look for new recipes. I like going to the library, thrift stores, and Pinterest myself. Red wine. Add 1 cup of red wine. I used only 3/4 of a cup of red wine, and I think that was more than enough, but stir really well. Then add 2 cups of chicken stock and stir to combine. I turned the heat back up to let it simmer and cook down the red wine. I also poured myself a glass since I did open a bottle of Merlot for this dish. If you drink wine, which do you prefer, red or white? Afterwards, it's time to slide those chops back into the pan and simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. But I decided to leave it in a little bit longer, to 10 minutes, to make sure that the chops were cooked thoroughly. The aroma from cooking, this smelled so darn good. My mom and Queen G and J kept telling me, it smells so good. This new recipe is definitely a keeper. So is it a keeper?
Yeah.
Yes. Bread to dip to the sauce. Yum. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy more videos as this one. I'll leave a playlist of the previous meal plans and recipes I've shared. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.